We're gonna learn about lists and how to display them in HTML. So let's get started. So as normal, we have that single website.html file, and we don't have anything here. And I'm using OpenLiveShare just for. And let's get started. So there are two different kind of lists. There are unordered list. So UL stands for unordered list. And we have an ordered list, which is OL. So unordered list, ordered list. So let's just start with this first. Now the way you create list is you create the list element and then list item. So for example, let's say United States. Say we're listing the countries. So that would be the United States. Now you can add more list items to it. So the UK, United Kingdom, another list item, say France, another one, say in India. And that's how you create an ordered list. And to create an ordered list, all we have to do is basically we just change that. And now it's ordered list. So let me go back to an ordered list. In here, you can specify the little thing that shows up. So there is CSS style. We're gonna add to list style type. There are multiple list style types you can add. So for example, let's say disk. Disk would be whatever that is right now, that point. You can also add, you can make it a circle. If I save that, now we have a circle. You can make it a square. So if I save that, now we have a square. Now if you could see that, and let me just increase this. So now it's that, and you can say none if you don't want to specify anything. So right now we don't show anything, and that is the list style type CSS property of lists. Now if we make this, if we remove this, we make this an ordered list, and we save this. Now that's the order. That's the normal order would be that. Now you can change the type of the order. So you can make it A, for example. It would all be A, B, C, D, and then you can make it small, and then you can do Romans too. So if I save that, so Roman numerals and small Roman numerals. So you can just change that. And ordered list have the type, and unordered list have the CSS property that we just discussed. But let me just change this to A. Actually, let's just make it. The default is number, so we just be 1 to 10. Now you can create another inline list. So for example, inside the United States list, inside here, we can create, instead of just having a text like the UK, we can create another ordered list, or we can do unordered list, we can do any of them actually. And in here we create another one that California, that basically have the states. So we can say California, we can say New York, list the item, New York, and then we could do state, Idaho. And now you can see that. So you can create the first one, and then you can just add, you can create a nested list in another list. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. See you in the next video. Bye bye.